house, always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
No one knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm a alpha.
Yellow. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is Son's comforter set. It is his fire truck comforter set. He actually got this a while back, but it is pretty thick and everything, and so we just haven't used it because he gets pretty hot. He's just like his dad, like gets hot quick. So I wanted to use this in the wintertime. So we're finally getting around to it. I'm gonna get this nice and cleaned. And then he also got this cute little Champion 3-piece jogger set that my mom got for him a while back. He wasn't able to fit in it, so now it is time. So I'm gonna get these nice and washed. I also washed some more clothes in with this load as well. But happy Friday, y'all. Woohoo! It is the weekend. I am feeling good. I hope you guys are feeling good. I hope you're doing well. We are going to be doing some things up in this video, so I hope this brings you a ton of cleaning motivation. I'm going to be starting off with the bathroom here, so let's go ahead and tackle this and get this nice and cleaned and jump into the video.
Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, babe.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and
I got my own rights.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
Still to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm a alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, babe.
So I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday, and I went to go look at some more Christmas stuff, some decorations and everything. When I went to buy the bulbs for the wreath that I made, the little Dollar Tree wreath, they had these cute boot trays. They were big, and like winter boot trays, you know, for when you come in the house or, you know, put your shoes. And it was green, and in the middle it had like 3 Christmas trees, and it said, I think it said like Season's Greetings or Happy Holidays, Season's Greetings, I think. I have such buyer's regret, y'all. It was $5. It was, like I said, it was thick. It had a lot of treading in it, and they had nothing. Like, all of them were gone. I hope that I can find one. If you guys can find one, definitely pick one up. Like, it was a really good deal for $5. It's way bigger than the black one that I have. I still haven't even found, a black one. Every time I go, I look and they never have any more, but such a bummer. Like I was pretty bummed out, but oh well, hopefully they come out with some more. But the bathroom is nice and cleaned. The toilet is shining. The sink is nice and cleaned. It smells so good in here. And of course I use my Pine Sol. Y'all know I am obsessed with Pine Sol. Like I love it. I love the way that it smells and everything. So now we are going to move on into the refrigerator. I'm going to get this nice and wiped down. I didn't end up taking off like the side shelves or the drawers that had the like the pop and the Gatorade and stuff in it. I like to do this often, especially when we're about to go grocery shopping. Like you can see the fridge is pretty bare, but this is just the best time to do it. So I'm taking everything out, and I just went through all of the condiments and everything and just made sure that, nothing expired. And if it did, I just tossed it out. I was so bummed out about this silk milk, y'all. Like, it expired yesterday. I was so bummed. I absolutely hate wasting food. Like I really try hard not to do that. Food is so expensive, especially right now. And yeah, I really hate wasting food, but unfortunately it was expired. So I did have to throw it out. So we're going to get this nice and wiped down and cleaned.
My heart is beating to your drum, and I'm blinded by the sunshine in your eyes. Not thinking twice, am I this dumb? Although I know you're all I want. How could I crave something so bad? My sweaty palms reveal a warning I should hear. But I don't care, you drive me mad. I'll ignore the truth and run to you. So we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything is gonna be okay. I don't need nobody else. Obsessed with you, try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. And suddenly I'm by your side. 'Cause I'm out of things to explain how I feel. It's better to enjoy the ride. I feel at home, never alone. My friends are asking me if I have left the planet 'cause I seem high all the time. They think I'm in a film noir, but my impression is that I'm in heaven. So we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything is gonna be okay. I don't need nobody else. Obsessed with you, try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Did someone put something in my drink? The world is spinning in my head. When you hold me, it feels so soothing. You're like a story I know so well. Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself. I need you. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. Can't help myself. Can't help myself. Can't help myself. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell.
So I just used some hot soapy water, as I showed you guys in this my little Dollar Tree bucket here. I love these buckets so much. They're so convenient. And I have a couple of them that I use for various things, but mainly cleaning, they're just, yeah, they work really well. So, and then these rags here, I just always cut up not always, but I have them cut up from Costco. They come in like a huge pack, and I still have some, you know, the original sizes. I think they're actually meant for cars. They're like microfiber rags, but they just work really well for cleaning also. And I've tried using these in the sink. Like I always put a rag in the middle of my sink when I do like the dishes and things like that, because it really helps me like put the, you know, hold the dish on top so that it doesn't like slip away. But with the microfiber rags, it really doesn't work. So I just use my old towels that are like stained up or whatever, and I will just cut them up and use those, you know, just like filter through those and use them as rags. So now I am just putting everything back, and y'all, I swear, I feel like we just went to Sam's not that long ago, like not even a couple weeks ago, you know. We normally go at least once a month, and we get all like bulk things like our meats, hygiene if we need it, paper towels, toilet paper, diapers, wipes, you know, hygiene items and things like that. But lately it's just been like, I feel like we're always at the grocery store, you know, like Walmart isn't that far from us. So if I'm making dinner, which is a lot, and I need something, like, well, you know, hubby will run to the up the street to Walmart, or I will, or whatever. But it's like, I just feel like we're always at the daggone grocery store. Like, do you guys ever feel like that? It's just, it's crazy. But anyways, yeah, we definitely need to go pick up some things. But I am getting this this refrigerator nice and wiped down, and you guys will see, like, on the door that I'm currently wiping down, there's like huge scratch marks on them. The previous owners, actually, we didn't even notice that when we, you know, like did our walkthrough or whatever in the house, and I actually didn't even notice it until like several months into us living here. But they did, I think, like they didn't know how to maybe like clean this, and they scratched it like with a sponge or something. But there's definitely some visible scratch marks on it, but that's okay. I cleaned this just with a rag and hot soapy water, and then I'm going over it with WD-40. This really just helps your stainless steel appliances shine and gets all the streaks out. And so that is what I'm doing here. We are going to be cleaning a couple more appliances. As you can see, there's a big old scratch. But yeah, it just felt really good to get this done. So while I was doing this, I was getting the laundry done as well, and I got all the loads done. So that felt really good to get done as well. So yeah, we are just doing the daggone thing and moving along here.
Darling.
that microwave cover is definitely clutch. If you guys don't have one of those, I highly, highly recommend them. It definitely helps keep your microwave clean and prevents your food from splattering all over the place. There are like ventilation holes in it, so you don't have to worry about your food like bursting in the microwave. But yeah, definitely recommend that. But I'm getting this microwave nice and cleaned out. I went ahead and scrubbed the little turntable here. And yeah, we are moving right along. Just to give you guys a little update, because I said I would, I did contact, I filed my claim and everything with the roof, and the roofer is supposed to come out on the 20th. I was on the phone, Lord, with Allstate for like 45 minutes, scheduling all of that. And if you are going through this process, they ask you like a bunch of questions, like when it happened, what company, you'll need the company name and address, and what else did they ask? How old your roof is, your like house information, which you would think that they would already have. But yeah, so, and like they contract somebody out. So somebody, like they go through a third party company, which I thought was kind of weird. I thought that they would have, you know, like roof people that work for the home insurance company, but apparently not. So it's like this company in Texas that they third party with that's supposed to come out on the 30th or on the 20th. And then I contacted the roofing company that I picked, you know, and I let him know and everything. And so he was like, yeah, you know, I have it on the calendar, yada, yada. The only bad thing is that they give you a 4-hour, like they don't give you an actual time. So it's like from 11 to 2. And then they're supposed to tell you like the day prior, like give you specifics, I guess, narrow it down. So hopefully that happens. But yeah, that is the latest on the roofing. So right here, y'all, look at all these splatter marks on these doors and the sides of the doors. I spilled some yogurt like a couple days ago and I thought that I got it up, but apparently not. So we're going to do a nice wipe down of all of the doors. This is the pantry, you guys. The pantry door and the door to the laundry room. And I'm also going to be wiping down the garage door. We come through the garage like 99.9% of the time. And so you can only imagine, like, you know, there's just areas in your house that you kind of neglect and forget about. So I'm going to wipe all these doors down really, really well, and the handles as well.
Hello, emotions. Hello again. Is every ocean colors rain? I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, oh, my love, we fall and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity.
got sundown for a nap, which was so good. Like, I was just happy about that. So I'm going to get these clothes nice and folded. And this little comforter set is actually really cute. It came with this red, it's like a, not a knit blanket. What is the term of the fabric I'm looking for? It's like fluffy. And then this is the comforter, and it's reversible. So on one side it's like blue and it has little fire trucks, and then on the one side it's white and it has cute little red fire trucks on it. And then it also came with two like long pillowcases and then two smaller pillowcases that match like the fire truck print. And so yeah, I just thought that was really cute. It came with like that little red bonus blanket. Like I said, I thought it's super cute. So I am just getting this, like I said, just getting all the laundry done. I'm getting the whites in the wash now, and I got everything nice and washed, which was just so good. You know, I don't have to do a bunch of stuff over the weekend, which is nice. So let's go ahead and get these clothes folded.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that.
So the last couple of days has been pretty okay as far as the weather goes, like mid 50s. And I have definitely been taking advantage of that. I've been getting out, going on a run or a walk, getting some miles in, and it's just felt really, really good just to, just be out and get me a little bit of me time and just do the daggone thing. So we are going to wrap up this laundry here, and then when Son gets up from a nap, I'm going to get his sheets nice and changed into his new comforter set. And I did get ours changed the other day, yesterday actually. I didn't film that, but I wanted to wait for Son's because I wanted to put his new comforter set on. So we're going to get that done.
sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate. But I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. And I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance?
So I am just getting the bed made up here. I wasn't able to get to it this morning, so better late than never, you know. This just makes me feel really, really good. I love getting into a bed at night that's made, and it just, yeah, good feels. So thank you guys so much for being here. I can't even tell you guys how much it means to me. I'm so grateful. If you're new here, hey, I hope that you consider subscribing for all things cleaning content. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you. I can't say that enough. I will definitely see you guys soon. Bye.